Do 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 do. Do 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 do. That's skidding. Oh yeah, I wanted to listen to this.
I realize it's been well over 2 years since I last posted a video. I was busy with other projects that required all of my free time. Now that I'm pretty much done with that, I had time to get back to the Unreal Engine. I've been hearing about the Unreal Engine 5 and the new Chaos Physics for a little while now. I was pretty curious to see what was up with that. So new Chaos Physics came with its own vehicle template, of course, much like NVIDIA's physics. So I gave that some try. Actually, was able to re-import some of the assets from the old project. So let's see what that gives.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Had a bit of fun with the camera movements, just to give it some feelings. Instead of just having cars stuck in the middle of the screen. So was also able to bring back the skid marks. And I have to say, in general, it doesn't look too bad if you don't have to do any complex collision with the environment like you would in an offline game, an off-road game. Jesus, 3 years almost without creating a video. You'll have to excuse a bit of a tongue twisting here and there. So yeah, if you don't have to actually collide with anything such as bumps and sidewalks and whatever, this can actually be a pretty good solution for you. Although if you do have to create an off-road game or just want some nice collision with the environments, you would have to use proper physics simulation, which my first thought on it was they actually figured out a way to make it worse than physics, which I didn't think was possible, so let's have a look at it. I, of course, forgot to depossess the Chaos vehicle. You can tell right away when I try that, it's actually much better than Raycast, but not there quite yet. So you got the suspension bouncing, and you've got that, which is what you're looking for. See, the wheels are actually gliding with the bump and stopping the vehicle. So just gliding over it and jumping back up like it wasn't there, basically, like a Raycast would. Now, why I say they actually made it worse is it's often going to glitch out if we just wait a little while. Well, first of all, you can see the wheels are spinning backward for no reason. It's kind of bouncy too. It's just overall pretty unstable. And after a little while, the wheels are just going to... yep, there it is. Finally, I was getting afraid it just wouldn't happen because I was recording. But yeah, they actually handle the constraints even worse than physics did. I had to do a lot of tweaking just to get the constraint to not break completely. And even still, it's pretty bad. And that's not even talking about high-speed movements or anything. This is pretty much as easy as it gets for a physics engine, just holding it still. Nothing to it, really. And even that, it manages to mess up pretty badly, so... yeah, here's that. Let's actually show you the recast. Sort of fun of it, so you can see.
I might have to not use this, which would suck. Because I was kind of getting behind it.
Welcome to video number 13 on the UE5 vehicle tutorial series. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create automatic counter steering to get more controllable drifts around corners. And the first thing we need to do is to get the car to drift properly. The way I did that would be to get your, sorry about that, if I can find the right folder. Get your wheel blueprint. I've only done that for the rear wheels, because I don't really want the front wheels to be slippery. So a few things I changed here. First one would be the side slip modifier. This variable here allows you to have less grip on the side without affecting the overall...
okay, so this guy does have a bunch of tutorials that are kind of nice. Let's see. Oh, hey, he's got a bunch of tutorials.
Hey everyone, welcome to this first video on the new tutorial series.
All right, I'm going to go through these at some point. Yeah, okay. Code Like Me's got some stuff too. We'll come back to his.
I'm gonna be in a game. Anyway, it's hello, and welcome to my tutorials on how to make a car in the Unreal Engine 5. So, hello everybody, welcome back. In the previous episode, if you remember, we was in the physics asset and we were setting up all the collisions, weren't we? Where we selected them all, changed these to spheres, and regenerated. We made the body a single convex hull, regenerated it. What we also need to do is, when we're selecting all four wheels, we need to select kinematic physics type there. If we go to our car folder, we need to now create a new blueprint class, and create a new pawn, and create a wheel, vehicle, pawn.
This was supposed to be tips and tricks,
EP underscore for blueprint and car. This is like our main blueprint. Press enter, double click it, and it'll bring up a little box mode here, and we go on to top. Where's top? It basically puts it all together and make sure it works, and then we need to click save. So if we just minimize it for now, what we need to do is create one for the rear. So we're going to copy, and what we need to do is obviously change. We need to quick now, and we rename it 6, and you save it out. What we can now do is double click on here, and we need to find 0 and 0, and press the middle mouse button to create a pimple. Now press the right button, you can move across, and we need to create another pimple at 1. What we can do now is put 2 more in the middle, like so. If we select them all now, and select this one here, and press 0.5, it'll move them up to 0.5. We're trying to keep them within the range of 0 and 1. So what we can do now is basically think about 0 and 1 as like throttle on or off. Now at idle, obviously it's going to be running, so you need to have an... You can move across quick. Now, I clicked this button, and it helped out a lot. It basically helps your car stick to the floor. Now, the next thing we need to do, I believe, is the engine setup. Ooh, if you're a car guy, this bit's juicy. This bit, we've got to build the torque curve of the car. How cool is that? Now, what you can do is obviously go and fetch your own torque curve and like exactly copy it in, but for now, we're going to keep it basic, yeah? So, what you need to do is create a new one. So, we need to create an external torque curve. It's going to create like another file, but specific using vectors, effectively, yeah? So, if we click on Mark 6, and we rename it 6, and you save it out, what we can now do is double click on here, and we need to find 0 and 0, and press the middle mouse button to create a pimple. Now, press the right button, press 0.0 and 1 and start mine at 0.2. You get these two here, we increase all obviously of 0 and 1. So what we can do now is basically think about 0 and 1 as like throttle on or off. Now at idle, obviously it's going to be running, so you need to have an input of like a minimum, say 0.5. Yeah, I'm going to start mine at 0.2. You get these two here, we increase them to basically full like this. Make sure that this one is also like when you're off throttle, it stays at idle. So what we can do is right click these and click this here. Actually do this one as well, and we can make them a bit smoother. So if we press and move this one and rotate it, we can make it look more like a torque curve. Like the power comes on really quickly, and then it levels out once it gets to maximum like horsepower, doesn't it? Like right about here, and then it'll fall off near the end. So if we just fill it out, move it across out, near the end of the rev range, it's just going to fall off into kind of thing. So once you've done that, don't worry about it too much. You can come back and like adjust it later on, but you just need a bit of a torque curve, because if it's on or off, it's a bit jarring. And so it's nice if you know cars. It's nice to play with this kind of thing. So and, like, you can experiment and get some interesting effects with it as well. You know? So if we press save and close the window, we have a torque curve now. So if we go back to our blueprint and click vehicle component, and you can see you can change it around here if you want to make it a little bit more interesting. And basically, we have a torque curve now. Now what we need to do is change the maximum RPM, which we can do here. For me, it's 7,200. Now the torque that you need is questionable. Now it's up to you. Let's if you put too much in, it can overload it kind of thing. You think, oh, it needs more, but it doesn't. You just need to set the car up. So I've stuck to 300 because it's actually made it enjoyable. Now the engine idle, I like to have it at 1,000 because that's how it is in real life. Now the engine brake effects, you only want that slightly kind of thing. These two, you don't really need to worry about them. Rev down, that's obviously how much it'll rev down, it changes gear. Now the differential setup, we do want all-wheel drive, don't we? So if I select all-wheel drive, you can leave it on rear wheel if you want. And I want it at 50-50 split. That's perfect there for me. Now the transmission setup, we want an automatic transmission, so we definitely want that selected there. Automatic reverse, that should just when you're braking it, will reverse it. Yeah. And what you need to do is research your car that you're doing and find its gear ratios. I found the Fiesta's gear ratios here like this, and I actually changed the final ratio. I think I did. No, I didn't. So you need to change your settings, but we won't do it now. Because I always remember the last one was 69. There's only 6 gears, so like you can delete a gear. I remember that one's different. So you've got to find your settings and input them. That's probably important as well because it affects how it drives. The next thing is make sure that your reverse brake is also ticked. Change the weight of your vehicle to however much you want. Mine's about 1,500, 1.5 tons or 1,500 kilograms. Now, if you have got like a weird shaped vehicle and you're having like a bad time, you can enable the center of mass override with this one. I think I got on with it by adjusting, if you click here, I adjusted the Y to like +1, and it did help handling, but at the same time, if you mess about with other settings, you can bring it back that way. So it's all a tuning game. You've got to go around and play with it effectively. Now, the final thing we need to do is we need to set up this car so we can use it on a controller, don't we? So if we compile this blueprint, save it, close it like that, and we press open, what we need to do, if you've not used it before, is we need to go into our preferences, project settings rather, and then we need to scroll down, and we need to go into our inputs here, and we need axis mappings. The axis mappings means the buttons on your controller, yeah? So what we need to do is menu, and we click on our blueprints, we have this window here. What we need to do is we can get rid of those. What we need is a vehicle movement component to start with. If we pull this off, we can have set inputs, and it should bring up, there we go. If you put set input in your search bar and then click set input physics tab and click simulate physics. Otherwise, your control all this won't work. So make sure you click simulate physics. Now, if we press play, and we minimize that, click on the screen, it will drive around. We can see it accelerating extremely slowly. I don't know why it's so slow, but this is what you do. So next, what we need to do is go into our blueprint. We need to add a spring arm, one of those, and then we need to add a camera that goes inside the spring arm. Press enter on that. Now, what we need to do, we want to round, so location, we can adjust the Z, can't we? Move that on there. What we need to do is, oh my days, it's so slow. I don't think I've set the torque on it. If we press escape, we go to our vehicle blueprint, we go to vehicle movement over here, and we go to the engine, I believe it will be max torque. I did say you need about 800. It's down to the gearing, that's what's actually happening. So you need to set up your gearing so that it'll actually work. That's why she's so slow, basically. Well, she's got plenty of torque now. As you can see, look, the camera will turn and leg around. Could probably do with adjusting the camera to be a bit higher, if I'm honest. It's a simple enough procedure. Oh, there you go. Can you see you got your car going now? It's pretty good. It drifts pretty well, 4-wheel drive. It's pretty cool, this. You can spend hours tuning this in now before we go any further, like this video, and then spend a couple hours adjusting your car to exactly how you want it, kind of thing.
Okay, that's not quite what I was looking for. Playlists. No, he also doesn't have quite what I was looking for either. This guy probably actually does. Let's
Here we go how to import vehicles into the UE5, make them drivable using the Chaos Vehicle component. I will be using this beautiful Porsche 3D model throughout the whole tutorial series. I have to give credit to the creator of this model. I found it for free on Sketchfab. Here's the creator, Chevrolet SS. Now that model has... Welcome to episode number 2 in this. That way the wheels won't collide with the body. If you don't do this, your vehicle is going to lunge. Never mind, okay. Be that way. This is... So front is 35 centimeters, rear is, let's say 37. Engine idle, I believe is going to be 1,000, because that is where the torque curve starts. Front left. Rear is going to be 37. Front. Now for the rear, we got our radius of 37. We also want brake, but and brake and engine as well. We don't want, we got our radius of 37. We also want brake, but and brake and engine as well. We don't want, it's going to be 37 those spheres. 35. Rear is going to be 37. For that, and actually select it and see what camera sees right here and use that.
I'm kind of curious as to what settings he did for.
I was going to say first thing you should be doing is adding wheels.
For his wheels.
To do that, you're going to need your wheel blueprints. Let's open up both of these so we have them open and ready. Now, if you did follow my advice and download Physics Asset and figure out radius, where we got our radius of 37. We also want brake, but and brake and engine as well. We don't want any steering because this is not a forklift. Okay, this is ticked off. That's good. And now we're done with these as well. Back to the blueprint. The rear wheel again. Yeah, axle type undefined. That is the rear. That's pretty important. Don't forget it. Now back into your wheel setup. Curve because of a bug in the engine. If you just first of all, it's going to be the 4-wheel setup. Then you will go into mechanical component. Select the engine. First of all, it's going to be the torque curve. You will need to create an external curve because of a bug in the engine. If you just use a curve here, it's going to forget about it. Whenever you close the blueprint and open it back up, it's going to reset itself to 0. So you need to create an external curve. Now I went ahead and done that already off camera because I spent maybe 10 minutes creating the curves with all the proper values, and nobody wants to watch me creating a curve for 10 minutes. Now the reason it took me 10 minutes is because it's a pretty detailed curve. I wanted it to be pretty accurate as well. That curve, although I'll show it to you, because it has to be
I might have to do
between 0 and 1
something
for
like
values.
that.
So you need to take your max torque and multiply it with that curve from 0 to 1. So it looks something like this, although every engine torque is going to be a different curve. So I had to go online and check the specs of the car. Now with that curve imported, we need to set up the max torque, which, again, we got the spec sheet from the internet. Max torque is going to be 346. Actually, 347, I believe, in the curve. Max RPM is going to be 9,000. Engine idle, I believe, is going to be 1,000, because that is where the torque curve starts. That's good. Now, differential setup, it's going to be rear-wheel drive, that's okay. Transmission, automatic transmission, yes. Final ratio. Final ratio is going to be 3.97, and then it's got 7 gears. I'll add right away.
Interesting.
3.97.
I
4 gears,
don't
you got
understand
4,
these.
5, 6, 7. Let's get the ratios. 0.84, 0.96, 1.11, 0.34, 172, 238, and 375. That's a big jump. Reverse gear is going to be 342. Okay. Now seeing the max torque is at 6,100 RPM, or actually 6,000, sorry. Change up RPM, shift down, and transmission setup. Find your gears here, probably going to shift somewhere around 6,200. Shift down at around probably 4,000. No, 40,000, 4,000.
Oh, that's
That is it for
when,
the
like, the
transmission
revs,
setup.
okay.
Now for steering, I don't usually change anything in there. For vehicle setup, reverse has brake you can take. I don't really like the way it works, but I'll leave it on for now and improve it a little bit later. Your mass on that vehicle is 1435 kilos. Chassis width is 185 centimeter. The height is 128. Drag coefficient, I do not know. Actually, oh yeah, I do know, 0.34, sorry. It's the downforce that I couldn't find online. And that concludes it for the vehicle setup. Now we need the inputs. So go into the item graph. Now you've got two ways of doing this. If we take the throttle, for example, you've got throttle input, but also the axis value. Now you need a thread. We'll actually do that. Yeah. Set the steer. Steady.
I want tighter
Oh,
turns.
I was also almost forgetting the handbrake. Whoa. There you go. Now that's a flow. We need to convert it to a boolean. So we're gonna, is it equal to 1? That's true. There you go. So that's all the inputs you need for your vehicle, really. Throttle, brake, steering, and handbrake. And then we're going to create another function, just for the spring arm. Add relative rotation. I'm going to split that and get the axis value for look right and look up. Look right is going to be in the yaw, z-axis. Look up is going to be in the pitch, or the y-axis. That's as basic as you can get. We're still going to make a function of it, because later on.
Unreal Engine. I've tried implementing it once. Fortunately, I don't have practical experience with drifting. Steer angle variable. Counter steering. Event tick adjustment. Forgot to mention in the event begin play, set the front tire slip multiplier to 1. Won't slide. Oh, I think I get this. We want the back tires to slide, but not the front tires. That makes sense. Tire slip multiplier. Whee! I need to be going faster. Slip threshold. What if the brakes don't affect the back? What if? Let's try that. What if the brakes only affect the front? No, that doesn't work. Maybe it's because ABS is turned on. Oh, there we go. It was because ABS was turned on. I wasn't getting the slip that I wanted. Oh, yeah. It slips so much. But I fucking love it. I love it, dude. I fucking love it. Yeah, this is the shit right here. I think I finally wait, what's going on? Oh, there we go. Oh my god, it feels so much better. It's slidey. It's fucking great. Key truck? Yeah, I think this one is. This one here is. But this is gonna be Truck Coon, so oh boy. Oh yes. Oh yes, it's beautiful. Okay. Let's plug in a controller and try this out. So Fox, how are things? Controller time. I think I've got to update that because it transitions from, yeah, it's transitioning a bit too quick or a bit in the wonky spot there. Much rain. I want this to perform like have performance metrics like a race car. For like acceleration and stuff like that, like stupid performance metrics, but I want it to feel like a truck. I think what we need to do is go and take a look at I think I should probably update maybe the downforce. But it's like 70. It's like 70 and loud downpour should be clear in an hour. I'm not sure if I need like softer shocks or harder shocks, but this feels great. Front should be heavier engine, etc. Yeah, maybe. Like we can update the center of mass. I think it would be maybe 25. I think this is going to be a little awkward now. Yeah. Wee. Oh, that was brilliant. Yes, the center of mass does need to be more in the front. Good call. Now when you hit something with force. A little bit more force, yeah. Okay, yeah, center of mass. Good call. Oh my god, I love how fast you get going here. I do have to try, I'm trying to figure out like what makes this hit these so aggressively. And how can we fix that? Fucking just whiffed the shit out of that pillar. So I think this feels better. I think this feels already better. So I'm pretty happy there. So I think we're gonna go with that. And then it's just a matter of figuring out the oh, I whiffed it. All right. Let's make hittable people now. Let's run people over. Yes. Actually, wait. Before we do that, let's go back in and try a couple more settings. Let's try a 30 on the move here. Center of mass, we've moved it forward 10 more units. And we'll see if this feels even better. If it's more fun. I think the break in the back would probably do it. Yeah, there we go. Wait a second. Oh. Wait. I need speed. Let's get speed. Let's get speed going here. No, faster. You need to be faster. No, I'm at 60. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Oh my god, the sliding is amazing. You slide so well, I think, in this. Okay, so I think... Okay, no. I thought I saw that you could fucking almost... Okay, so I think I need to do this only, like, the slide. I need to fix that so you only slide with the handbrake on. And then ABS is there for the rest of it. So you need because like reversing with fucking zero traction on your rear wheels feels terrible. So don't do that. You slide so much. Maybe the answer is to like, I don't know. There's a couple different possible answers here. But I like the slide. Yeah, the slide works. Okay. So that feels good. I'm sure that there'll be more tweaking later, but I think this is good enough for now. Time to make hittable people.
Hello everyone, today we are going to implement this character hitting system. So when I hit them with the car, they will enable the ragdoll mode, and after a while they will stand up. So let's see how to do that today.
Unreal Engine Ragdoll.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. In today's video, it's going to be a quick one. I'm redoing my ragdoll video. So when I said that it wasn't too great, I missed out one small step, which kind of made it a bit glitchy, so it wasn't too good. So I'm just redoing it now after a lot of people have mentioned it. So I'm doing that. This will be a lot better. So let's get right into it. So let me see.
Oh yeah, Fox, if you join the Discord, I'll be posting builds.
What's going to like first. Let me show you, sorry. So if I press K, we're going to get a simple ragdoll, like so. And now that's what we're doing in this video. Like I say, this is just a very simple ragdoll. I do have other videos on respawning, so this is basically a death function. You die, you get a ragdoll, you can respawn with a different video. So again, completely ragdoll, so it's different each time, like so. So again, if I press it again, just to show you again. If I jump and do it, we get the ragdoll, like so. Now the camera says where it is, we can't move, just get this ragdoll, like so. So this is what you want to make. Let me do this code and I'll show you how I've done this. So this is actually very simple, it's only a couple steps. So what we want to do first is we want to make sure that we have a physics asset. So for me, that's going to be content, mannequin, character, mesh. Here's my physics asset. So you do normally get one when you import your character, but if you don't, it's very simple to create. You just right click on your skeletal mesh, go to create, physics asset, create and assign, and you can leave all these values as default, like so. Once you've done that, open up like this, and what we can do is hit simulate up on the top right up here, and this is what it's going to look like. So I think that's good by default, so you can obviously just test it out to make sure that it works perfectly, and again, you keep pressing.
I don't have a mannequin. All right. Let's bring an anime character in. Okay, where is it? Anime test. Yeah, I played with the ragdolls. Yeah, ragdolls look interesting. I'm kind of looking forward to it. All right, let's see. So I brought her in. Don't remember all of what we were working on here. What did he say that I needed to do?
Simulate, go to create, physics asset, create and assign, and you do steps. So what we want to do first is we want to make sure that we have a physics asset. So for me, that's going to be content, mannequin, character, mesh. Here's my physics asset. So you do normally get one when you import your character, but if you don't, it's very simple to create. You just right click on your skeletal mesh, go to create, physics asset, create and
Wait. Do I not need to do that? I should do this. Unreal Engine 5. Some of these are great. I think this is just a demo.
What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial, and today we're going to learn on how to make a basic ragdoll into your character. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to be using the default mannequin for Unreal Engine 5. So if we go into characters, mannequins, and rigs, we can see that there's a physics asset. So if we go ahead and open it, we can see that there's...
Yeah, but I don't have a physics asset. Oh no, I do have a physics asset. What am I talking about? All right, we have a physics asset. Beautiful.
like some colliders attached to each bone. Basically, when you import any character with a skeleton, this should create. If not, you can create it by going on here and just go ahead and search physics of the ragdoll and how it would look. Will assign your skeleton. But if I go here up here and say simulate, you can see a preview of the ragdoll and how it would look. So when you import your character, if you're using any other one, if you're using this one, all the bones are going to be perfectly placed, like all the colliders, so the ragdoll should be nice. But it might be the case that your character kind of books a lot because it's not proper made. So you can just go here and just literally resize a bit the bones or whatever, the colliders of the bones, so that the ragdoll will be nicer. But if you're using the default mannequin, there will be no problem because all the colliders are perfectly placed. All right. So in order to do this, I'm going to go into the third-person character to show you what the preview will be like. So I'm just going to say, for example, if I press J. So for example, I press J. I'm going to go ahead and drag this. I'm going to say set simulate physics for the mesh, because in the mesh is where we have the skeleton and, well,
is that
basically
really all
the
you have
physics
to do?
assets details. So just go ahead and enable this, and then for safety purposes, to not book this, I'm gonna say disable input, and I'm gonna get layer.
Yeah, we don't care about that part. Is that really all you have to do?
And there we go. So if I compile and save and press play, you can see that now if I press J, that happened. And you see that the ragdoll is not properly played. This is because we need to go into the mesh and apply a different collider type. So right now in collision presets is character mesh. Well, guess which one we need to choose? Ragdoll. So let's go ahead and place it, compile and save, and then press play. And still the player colliders are, being applied, of course. But then if I press J, you can see that the ragdoll is properly placed. That's pretty much it, guys. I mean, maybe the bones are a bit broken right now here, but you can go ahead and mess around, changing, the scale of this, of this colliders to be able to get the result that you're choosing, and you can have a little preview on here. So it's pretty nice. So you can do this.
That was really bad. Like really, really, really bad. Okay. That seems easy enough. So let's just do this. Do we? Oh, yeah, we want this separated mesh. So mesh. Migrate. No. Mesh. Yeah, no, migrate. I had to set change in physics trigger on sphere collider so it'll hit on mesh collision. Maybe I understand. Wait, where was that other guy? Yeah, I think it was this guy.
Hey guys, and welcome back to a character blueprint. Create and assign. And then you can modify these if you want, but the default here. Characters, mannequins, meshes, and I want SKN Quinn here. And what we want to have is
All right, well, once it's imported in, we can play with it. So she's in now, right? And all we want to do is we want to do here, if we go to, do I even have a blueprint? I don't. Okay. New folder. New folder, characters. Or sorry, yeah, characters. New blueprint class. Do they need to be? Actually, no, because they need to be possessed. BP character base. Wait. Does she not have one? No, she doesn't. Oh, disappointment. Wait, where are her animations? Does she have no animations? She has no animations. She came with 0 animations. Disappointment. Sup, Lucy? Whatever. No animations, we'll just deal with it. It's fine. Whee! Okay. Bank graph. What was I needing to change this to?
What's up, guys? Welcome to new online. Alright, so in order to do this, because in the mesh is where we have the skeleton and, well, basically the physics assets, details. So just go ahead and enable this, and then for safety purposes, to not book this, I'm gonna say disable input, and I'm gonna get player controller, and there we go. So if I compile and save and press play, you can see that now if I press J, that happens, and you see that the ragdoll is not properly played. This is because we need to go into the mesh and apply a different collider type. So right now in collision presets it's character mesh. Well, guess which one we need to use? Ragdoll.
Okay, so Ragdoll is not. Oh no, it is an option. I'm gonna do this in C++ later because what? Okay. What the? Oh, you know what? Wait, no, wait, because it is the capsule, right? Fuck. Oh, you know what? I need on hit. That's what it is. Because we're not overlapping, we're hitting. Hit play, bitches. I'll ragdoll you. Oh yeah, Lucifer. Words isn't playing WoW anymore. He's officially canceled his subscription. What the flying fuck shits? We didn't even hit. No hit. We didn't hit anything. We hit nothing at all. Wow. We're not getting any components at all. Like no hit detection whatsoever. Probably. I'm still playing though. There we go. Okay, so she collapsed. Beautiful. Fucking amazing. Okay, it works. So the next thing that we have to do is apply force. Adds. Okay, so we're gonna add force to this. Okay. It is. Huh. Okay. So it's just my current location. Like where I hit the person, right? Okay, so get velocity. Origin. Do, 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 do. I totally fucked some of this up. I need to get the car speed. Or actually, for now, why don't we just give this a really large... Like, just really hammer it home. I'm gonna delete that. We're gonna close this. There. We're gonna go here. Unreal Engine. Fling player. Launch the player up in the air. Push and launch player.
What's up, guys? Welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to push and launch a character in a certain direction. It's going to be a very easy bit to follow, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is create our dummy so we can push it. Of course, if you already have a sort of enemy that you want to use, you can use that one and skip this step. But I'm going to quickly make it, so just right click, go to blueprint class, character, MVP underscore, say launch to, for example. Let's go ahead and open the blueprint. I'm going to use apply mesh, so let me just go in here and put queen simple, for example, and then this in -59 and -90, put it basically in position, and then queen, ABB queen, so it has an arrow animation. Great. Now what we have to do is go into our third person character blueprint. Let's go into the event graph and just find a T. So basically, it will make an invisible sphere that will go from one place to another one, start to the end, the weld rotation, convert into float. So vector. So basically, where the camera is right now looking. So now what we can do is basically times this by right-click, convert into float. So basically, this is the distance that we will be able to detect enemies. Okay, so let's put, for example, 1,000 array, and basically this is the object that we can find in our break hit, and now we'll basically get all the information about what we have hit happening from the camera location into how it is again. Now, to launch character or whatever was your character. Now, yes, we could
Oh, that's what it
create
is.
an interface, so we don't have to cast into individual actors. But for the
No, that's
simplicity
the
of
cast.
velocity. So let's say that, for example, I put 1,000 inside axis, so he'll just launch upwards. So this will
There we go. It's launch character. That's what we wanted. Whee! All right, we got this. No! Maybe this first. So we do this, then this. Maybe we should multiply this again. What? No. Okay, we're going to try this again. Okay. Oh, this is why. We've got the minus C and stuff like that. There's our forward. Why do we have north? Then we bring that in, we multiply. Then we bring that in, we multiply again. And then we get this crazy minus. No, that's not working. I think if we just bring this in, maybe?
should work. Full character in a certain direction and with velocity. So let's say that, for example, I put 1,000 inside axis, so he'll just launch upwards. So this will should work. So if I go here, I basically press N, and boom, he goes upwards and down. Great, it works, but now it has to be with the direction that we are looking. So what we can do is just get, again, well, in this case, it will not be from the camera. Actually, yes, it will be, let's do it for a camera. So actually, happens here, so if I put this in mind, and now for rotation and for a vector. And actually, we also want to get this time thing because it's basically force. So we want to actually just copy this, press Q, so everything is aligned, and now we can splice that into the velocity directly. And you will see that it will apply some force in the forward vector. Now, let's see what happens here. So if I put this and press play, I'm gonna go here and press N, you can see that it's slowly pushing it backwards. But of course, this is too less, so I guess that we have to crank this up maybe into 5K. Let's see how that does. Let's go here, press N. Yeah, that's way better. So in order to make it also look a bit better and launching the character a bit up, what we can do is just go ahead and right-click and split. So we have the axis individually. So in here, what we can do is just go and plug, just split this. We can put the X in X, Y in Y. But for the Z, what we can do is add this value. So for example, 8,000 more. 100 no, 1,000 more. There we go. Let's plug it in. Now you see that he will also go a bit up. So you can see, maybe it's not very visible. Maybe it has to be a bit higher. Yes, let's do 5,000 just to make sure it's working. Let me go here. Okay, yeah, that works. That's way too much. Maybe 2K. I mean, before it was 2K. Also, you have to remember that maybe it's a bit more because of the friction, right? So you have to be careful with this. Maybe you have to drop this bit down to 3, and then I can increase this to 4. Something like that. You know, you get the idea. And now it's just playing with values to get what you want. It's way too much. Maybe, yes, maybe 2K here. I mean, honestly, I don't know. It's just playing with values. Maybe that's way too much. But you have to remember that.
There we go. Okay, that's how we're gonna do it. I like this already. Split this. This works. Come on. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh, wait. Yeah, no, get forward vector. Wait. No. Wait. I need to test something quickly. Interesting. Launch character should just work. It should just be working. Oh, there it is. What? maybe it happened like the ragdoll happens too quickly. What if I do this and then we delay until next tick? Because it's happening too quickly, maybe? All right. Wee! You can do it! I keep forgetting that I have that turned on. Launch character on launch ragdoll. Try setting the capsule to not hidden in gameplay. So the ragdoll is causing it to stop moving. Did you see the capsule? The capsule's just like, no. I think this solves part of the problem. It solves none of it. What the fuck? The second I turn that on, the character no longer works. There we go. She went flying. Then if I set the collision here to if I ragdoll, simulate physics. Oh wait. um wait, is it a capsule? Is okay, so the capsule's set to ragdoll. Does this work? Whee!
Hey everyone, in this episode we're going to create a ragdoll system, and this is going to be for the Unreal Engine 5, and we're just going to third-person actor, so capsule collision, so play certain kind of enable ragdoll. So simply, character blueprint. So we're just grab a reference to our board, and before we do anything, we need to click object type to physics body, and it also enables query and physics collision. And this is important if we want our ragdoll to interact with the environment. So we want it to react with walls and floors, and
Oh, okay. So we're gonna go to ragdoll. Then custom. Wait. Query. Wait, no, because one sec. Wait, one sec.
that kind of thing in the ragdoll state. So once you
Alright, so now I've got both of them set to physics. Maybe one of these will work? God damn it. Alright, let's see if this works. Okay, if we don't do the collision there, does this work? Okay, so they're together there. So maybe the answer is to do this and then this. Then that might work.
you've done that, oh, sorry, I need to get reference to character movement for that. So let's disable movement because we don't want to be able to move anymore. And let's also disable input. Now we want to disable input because even though I tell the play, we just need a way to call enable ragdoll. So then let's try this out. I'm going to hit play. So there you go. Our ragdoll's working. Let's well, just because of that our character. So that's it for ragdoll. Thanks for watching so much. If you have any troubles, please let me know in the description, or you can join the Discord server.
Okay, so what if I do a slight delay? So we come into here, right? Then do a delay. Then come into here. And what if the delay is 2 seconds? Sure. Unreal Engine. Ragdoll. Can only update 2. Can I then, what if, okay, so we've got this working, right? So if this is the case, this works now, right? It's very extreme, but it works, right? So if I take this, right, and I disable and we do this. No, we should do this. Then we do this. And then we know that everything's going to be working there. There we go. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. What if I just go straight to this? Oh no, wait. What if we do this first? Okay, wait one sec. Let me try something. Do straight into this. Right? Beautiful. Let's try it. Oops, yeah. Interesting. Okay, so the second I do no collisions on this, what we actually want is set collision object type to no collisions. Kiss Kek. Sorry, I'm not sure how to pronounce your name, but welcome. Okay, so we can't do that one. What we need to do is set. No, I think what we need is just a different, like, ignore all, right? Oh, wait. Yeah, set collision object type. Isn't ignore all one of them? Oh, no, it's not. Okay. Project settings. To collisions. Wait, no, it's it's ignore all, right? New. Ignore all. No collisions. We want this. It doesn't matter. There. Okay, there we go. Set. Is it a profile name? Oops. Ignore all. Okay, so I think that this doesn't make sense, unfortunately. Which sucks, but it is what it is. Okay, so let's do this. We're going to have to tweak this because I'm not sure if... It's so good. Oh, man. Oh, it's so good. Okay. It's a bit much. Let's do 4,000. Oops. Maybe still a little bit too much. To do... Actually, let's do 1,000 on the z-axis, and that might make a bit of a difference. Much better. Okay, let's see if this is There we go. That's a real problem. Okay, so this actually here, what we might be able to do is get component. So we launch the player and we do... No. Yeah, okay, let's do this for now. Okay, so we launch the player, collision enabled, right? Okay, so let's disable collisions, right? Oh, that was perfect. Wait, what? She just went flying. Yes, perfect. Maybe not so much right now. Let's dial that back a little bit more. Let's do 3,000. The collisions seem to work, which is nice. Okay, sweet. She went through the world. Beautiful. Then we're going to grab the mesh, right? Set collision enabled to right. Set simulate physics. Set collision profile name. I want to say it's the profile name, right? to ragdoll. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. I think this is all we need. And then we're there. Please tell me this is all we need and we're there. Oh, this would be perfect if it was. Oh, we are so close. Oh, wait. Do you... Oops, ah. Delay until next tech. I'm gonna transfer this all over to C++, by the way. This is gonna be a lot of C++. Okay, a delay until next tick, too much. So I set it now to 0.1. Because next tick is too fast, apparently. Oh, wait. What if we move this and do this section over first? So what if I do this? And then we do this. Then we do this. Okay, I'm going to add the delay, but I'm going to add the delay going into the launch character. I'm going to have to clean this up, though. Yo, what's good? Not a whole... well, you know, we're getting close. We're getting close. I'm having a little bit of trouble here. I'm having the tiniest bit of trouble. So what if I do no collisions here? We keep this on ragdoll, right? Then we do hit collisions. Simulate hit events. Save, compile, right? Maybe this will just work, like straight out of the gate. No problems. And then this goes straight into the simulate physics. Did she fall? I think she fell through the world. Because she has no collisions whatsoever. Yeah, she's falling through the world. Damn it. Okay, so I think I know how to do this now. And I don't know how I want to do this. I think this needs to go to overlap all. It's world static, that's fine. Then this would then become a on overlap. Which is less than ideal. Oh wait, this is overlap all. Fuck. I don't actually want overlap all. God damn it. Custom. Okay, here we go. Show collisions. Okay, so hitting a bit too hard here, you know? Just a little bit too hard. They're just flying, you know. Holy fuck. It's so much. It's so much force. Okay, we're gonna try those. Oops. I'm gonna close this. We're gonna try this. Ragdoll go wee. Yeah, but they're not ragdolling quite the way that I wanted to, right? Let's add 10. Wow, the numbers are a little bit crazy here. Okay, so now she just doesn't move. Okay, I think let's say multiply by 10, and then we're going to break this. Split, recombine struct, bam. Do. Okay, 10's not enough, 100. Because 1,000's just fucking crazy. Just playing with numbers, you know? Because like 1,000, they just go flying so far. Right? Like, I touch her. Oh no, there we go. Okay, so it was because of my crazy okay, so if I do 3,000 here, she should just go flying back, right? Yeah, that's more like it. And then here, if I crank this up to 50 times, this should get, I want her off the ground. Specifically, she needs to be off the ground. That's better. Let's hit her at like 100 or let's hit her at high-ish speed. Going backwards is actually really hard to control. Okay, so maybe that's not enough. Maybe 100. What the fuck? She's like a... She's so solid. It's a truck. It's just a Japanese truck. Wow, she gets really hard at high speeds. She's just like really, really hard. I think it's because my forward vector is all kinds of weird. So give me a second here. What is my forward vector? Because like I think we're getting different numbers depending on like where we hit. Oh, wait. What? Okay, so we hit it here, but we didn't hit the other one? Hmm. It might be. I don't actually know. If I'm being honest, I don't actually know what type of car it is. It is an older car though. Like that one just went flying. Now I'm at like 50. And what? Okay, so that one triggered the breakpoint, but this one won't. Okay. What the actual? This is the same one though. Oh, you know what? Because I edited them, maybe they're different now. That might be why. If you edit something in like a specific one, what the fuck was that? The launch is not working anymore. Oh no, it's working. She's just really hard. What? What? Oh, you know what? It's the capsule stuff. What the actual fuck is going on now? Oh, right. Now we need the hit. Okay, let's try this again. She should just go flying. Come on, flying. Oh, right, I don't have hit, simulate hit. God damn it. There we go. The fly worked. Okay, so that worked, but here's the issue that I'm gonna run into, right? So this works, right? We do that, we disable this. Here, this is fine. Come over to here, here, do. We can't disable collisions. We do need a delay. Then we can set the collision body here to that. Right, and then we go and we hit, and she doesn't do it because I think we've got not enough time there. Okay, let's get her physicsy-ness simulating here. She was set to ragdoll, right? Okay, she's set to ragdoll. Sorry, give me a second here. I had this working. No, not. Okay, let's try this again. Play. Show collisions. Whee! Hit. There's the ragdoll. Let's see if we can do this. I think this is going to just have a ragdoll in front of me, though. Yeah. Okay, so I think maybe what it is, I can't remember if it was this that I did. I bring this one up here, this one into here, and this one into here. here. Then I do this. Save, compile. Let's just get this working again, and then we'll worry about the other stuff. Nope. Wait. This. There. Don't have to do that. Just need this. Mr. Dino Animates. Welcome. Let's see if we can we'll see if we can find the exact model, because this is, I didn't make this truck. Right? Let's see if they've got the actual truck here. It doesn't say. I am not entirely sure which one it is, to be honest. Like what car it is. Might not be based directly off of an actual car. So the ragdoll's not working the way that I want it to. Cause like if I all right, this is gonna be fun. Okay, so we don't see this, right? We click into here, we show collisions, right? Then watch this. They're gonna be separated. Yeah. If I do ragdoll on this, is this, does ragdoll work? Because the second that we simulate physics, we have an issue. Oops. Yeah, okay, this works. Damn it. Ugh. Okay, let's see this. There we go. Now the problem that I'm running into, though, is that this becomes the problem. So I think after that, okay, so this works. And I wonder if I can get this down to 1 maybe, but hard to say. It works at any rate, and that's all that matters, right? So if we get, if we have this capsule, custom, and maybe I overlap all. No, we want to overlap world static and want to block on pawns. No, wait. Physics bodies, yeah, we'll block on. World static will block on. Okay, I think this is it. And then we can do this. On component begin overlap. Come over here and check overlap events. Yeah, and then we do this. There we go. And then I hit play. And when I run into this, it might just work. Ah, damn it. It doesn't. I wonder if that just works then. No. Capsule. This might work if I do this and we've got capsule and then we do collisions, right? And then we just want to do world dynamic. We want to essentially do set collision response to all channels. Ignore. This might be it. This might be what I was looking for. Because we don't want the collision to actually be shown. Like, we don't want this little collision here to work after we've hit this thing. I think I forgot to set it to ragdoll. Let's make sure this is working again. I think it probably is, if I'm being honest. I forgot to generate hit collisions. Damn it. No wonder it wasn't working. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so she flies exactly the way I want her to. Still a bit harder than I want, but whatever. Now let's see if this works. To turn off the collisions for the capsule. Damn it. What the fuck? Okay, wait. It works here. I think I need another delay. Yeah, okay, so if I delay 0.1. Okay, wait. Do I have to delay at all? Can I bypass the delay altogether? I don't like having delays because delays are problematic. Delays are bad. You should never have delays in your code unless there's a legitimate reason for it. And this one is a legitimate reason that you need at least a 0.1. Maybe even less. there, right? But if I add this in, but maybe if I do a delay, because if I add this here, it triggers her to no longer ragdoll, right? And that's absolutely not what we want. Let's see if this works. Okay, and then I'm gonna try, I'm removing the delay now because I would like to not have the delay if possible. Yeah, okay, so we need a little bit of a delay, and I wonder if delay till next tick will just work for this. Yeah, delay till next tick. Beautiful. Okay, so now we can decide whether or not we want to, how we want to tune this. Mr. Everybody's saying it looks like a K car. K-track or key track or whatever. Oh no, it totally is. It is totally 100% modeled after this. And that is perfect because Truckcoon is, what is Truckcoon? Truckcoon is, yeah, Truckcoon is kind of. Truckcoon is sometimes this track. Sometimes it is not. But sometimes it is. Truckcoon. Here to destroy everything. Anime. Yeah. Bam! It's so much flying. Okay, I'm gonna give her 500 as the additive to the X. Or to the Z, sorry. That's better. Look at that force. Truckcoon, the killer of parents and humans. I gotta figure out the whole like I gotta figure out this force thing. Because I want to hit the player differently. I think I need a different physics system for the players. Face blue, smiling, hands pink, waving. One sec, let me go over to YouTube so I can see this. View your channel. Chat's not there. What the hell? Where's my chat? Is chat broken? Like, What the fuck, YouTube? I don't. YouTube's trying to figure out what the fuck to give me on a front page here. Yeah, what was the front page? It's like I don't even know. I know that I had a Chris thing there. We do not exist, apparently. So we had Chris. He's doing good work. I think he finished this one though, didn't he? I think so. Because I think I saw him working on something else. Or he posted something else. For everybody on YouTube, he's currently in chat. So yeah. Not yet? Okay. Yeah, no, that was Chris Motor K's work. He streams really good 3D art. I can send you a build when I get the build out. I think though I'm going to need to use this system, which this system here is the advanced locomotion, I think, or something like that. Yeah, because I think he's gonna have
advanced locomotion system project.
Yeah,
The reason I'm
okay.
using is we already have a ragdoll recovery system implemented. We can turn on the ragdoll so the character will fail. That could be used as the reaction when the character is hit from a vehicle.
Okay, so I need the advanced locomotion system to do ragdolls. Ah, the it's such a pain in the ass to implement. Like I hear good things about it all the time. And it's supposed to be really good. But it's just such a pain in the butt sometimes because it's just like I have way too many tabs here open and I need none of them right now. I don't know when I'm coming back to any of that right now, so UE5. Oh.
It's been a long time coming, but it's finally here, and I'm very excited about making and sharing these upcoming videos with you. My goal is to teach.
Okay, so I gotta install it. Because like of course I do. But I guess for now this kind of works, right? The basics are there, right? And we're not going to be doing like locomotion. Like right now we're not going to be having like we shouldn't have them all spread out in this kind of like they're all to get clumped together thing. So I'll just do this. And this will just be better. There we go. I'm not sure what just happened, but that's interesting. All right, let's test this with a controller now. Actually using a controller this time. I feel like the truck needs to be a little bit bigger. Whee! let's fly into one. This is gonna be great. Okay. I go like this. We can line this up. This is really good so far. Yeah, right? Like amazing. Oh, fuck, I missed her. I missed! No! let's see if I can hit her this time. Oh! Nope. The collisions are so jank sometimes. I might have to reset. I might have to like restart parts of this game. Cause like it looks like I might need to change. So I'm gonna have to definitely change the locomotion to use the advanced. Did she disappear? Oh, she falls through the world. Oh, interesting. Yeah, so definitely need to um this actually kind of works. Um yeah, no, I'm going to, but so what's happening is when you hit a person, you're hitting a completely rigid object, like a pillar, right? So if you were to hit a stone pillar, a brick pillar, you're just gonna like smash into it and it's gonna crumple your car, right? But if I switch over to the um the enhanced locomotion system that this person's suggesting, right? When you hit somebody, they can crumple around the object, right? Instead of it being a hard pillar, right? But then the car's really bouncy, and so far I haven't found a way to fix the car being super bouncy on things. Although that might not end up mattering because I'm not going to have as rigid of an object. And if it comes down to it, I might have to do Unreal Engine Marketplace. I was trying to figure out ways to like change it, but like the capsule collision is component is really like strongly tied to it, right? And then we do and sorry, I want a code plugin. Vehicles. This sounds interesting, but that's also probably not what I want anyways. But where was it? I thought it was in here. Go to library. Enhanced vehicle system. This is what I was looking for. Right? So it supports 5.3. And then but the issue why I was hesitant to go for it was if I go to their documentation, right? Interesting. Sorry. So I go to their website and I scroll down to tutorials and I go to project settings, right? The tick thing, right? The async physics in Unreal 5.3 is broken. Stick to substep. But I want that. And the answer might end up being that I can use this once I get to right? It has limitations that I don't like, which sucks because if I want to do the async physics stuff, I might have to wait till 5.4 or something like that. Or downgrade to 5.2. Because 5.2 seems to be the one that's not broken. And then I skip 5.3 and potentially go straight to 5.4. But I don't have 5.2 installed right now. So it's hard to decide. Also, I don't know if this would actually work. If I'm being honest, this might not work. So, although maybe something like this might actually work, like a more arcadey thing. Anyways, I'll come back to it. I'm gonna have to. It might be like a suspension problem or something like that, but I do need to work on the vehicle itself. I do most of this in C++ most of the time, but right now I'm just like, eh. I wanna have specific things that are kind of like different. Okay, where was it? The handbrake. Yeah, here we go. Pressed, released. No, it's not that one. Yeah, no, wait, no. It is. No, it's the reverse. Spotlights. Okay, sweet. Okay, so the reverse is still in my C++. Dope. Okay. Amazing, I can do this. Save all. Okay, I've got that unplugged. Save everything. Come into the C++. Interesting. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, okay. This shouldn't be updating every time. That's kind of fucking weird. Okay. Is valid. Where's my reverse? I guess that would be this, right? Get forward speed. So is forward speed. No, get forward speed. There we go. Oh, it's a float. Right, I don't have the screen debug code. Oh, I'd have to transfer that over. Out or print to screen. Fuck, it's been so long since I've done it. Okay, so I'm fairly certain that this is a like 1-0 thing. So like it will print 1 for so I'm guessing that if we do this, if forward speed is greater than 0.f is less than, we want to change the wheel friction. I've got to do this in the other one. Fuck. Because I don't have access to the wheels here. Yeah, okay, never mind. This isn't annoying at all. Okay, so we can come up to here. And here we do get... What was it? It was vehicle pawn, chaos movement, get forward speed. I said branch. There we go. Because we're a bit too slippery on the seriously? Okay, so I can do this in C++ after all. Okay, sweet. Okay, so back to this. Here's my speed here. Is not and is not return. Actually, no. This is slightly more performant. Okay, and interesting. Const float. Cast. Cast. Ugh. Get. Ugh. Vehicle pawn. Get chaos vehicle movement. Cast to, what was it? It was cast to movement component. This is a U chaos wheeled component. What is the actual error here? Not. Ugh. Oh wait, this is the controller. What the fuck am I doing? God damn it. I'm just all kinds of wrong today. This is the one that I actually cared about here. There we go. This makes way more sense now. Steering action. Brake. Get brake value. Set brake input. Where is it? I need to tweak some stuff here and I'm having trouble finding the right thing. Wait, what? Steering's of value? Oh, yeah, yeah. just all kinds of. I guess I could just try and tweak it here. This is set to. Let's try this. Oh, that feels better. Okay, I was on the right idea here. I love it. I love it so much. I do hate this. I want this to be, what if we do custom and pawn instead of, wait. Wait a second. Pawn, ragdoll. Oh, I wonder if I do this. If I do overlap on ragdoll, I wonder if this would be it. Okay, we're going to try something. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to just try just moving this down here so we can have two versions of it. Right? And then if we do the capsule and we do this, I wonder if this will work. Interesting. Okay. Main character, and then if we custom interesting. Oh, it's because it's vehicle. Ragdoll. Then we do custom. We go vehicle. Ignore. Here. Vehicle overlap. Save, compile. Play. That was hilarious. Oh wait, that's why. This feels better already. This actually feels infinitely better. Oh my god, I don't have to do that. This makes me happy. Wha-bam! I'm so happy. I gotta change some stuff, but yeah. Then this doesn't matter anymore. And as long as this works, we're good. Because the big thing that I wanted was just like I didn't want the car to be able to like hit the collisions. The collision's still off. Right? Like we hit her. Oh, no, that one worked. She flew through everything. she soared through the air completely there. That one kind of didn't work. Hmm. But why does that first one not work? Oh, it could be a timing thing. That was weird. Or just like how I hit them. I think that the locomotion system is going to be required though. Okay, let's tune this down just a bit. That's not really what I wanted at all. Uh, okay. I wonder if I can do this. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna have to do the enhanced locomotion system. Fuck. It's just so painful. It's so hard to do. Like, there's so much setup. I was hoping to not have to do it so bad, but I almost want to do pawns, but as far as the pawns go, I think the pawns for the AI don't work super well. Actually, they might. Let me try that. Never mind, it can. Pawn character base. Add collision capsule. Well, I was off on that, and probably would have been off on that one too. There. This can now have the collisions that I want. This will be ragdoll. And this one will be overlap all. Yeah, there we go. And then this one here, if I come down here and begin overlap, we can copy this. We're going to have to not launch the player though. There we go. Okay, so I don't think that we can launch character. Can we? No. Force. Add force. But we might be able to do this now. If we do this, apply that, and then this, we might be able to get more of what we're looking for. Save, compile. Oh right, I forgot to drag her in. That worked. Wait, and then I can drive over her, right? Sweet. Okay, I figured it out. They do a high five. No, they ragdoll. Right? And the ragdoll do here. This is what the ragdoll looks like. But when you apply force to the stomach, they throw their hands up. Fuck, it's perfect. Okay, sweet. Okay, so I have one that works exactly, almost exactly the way I want it to. We just have to tweak the this. Although maybe it will be this ends up being the right way to do it. Here, because she's not really moving, she's just getting smacked, right? Like this works, but I want her to fly a little bit. Oh, I need physics enabled. Simulate physics. Wait, no, wait. Oh, okay, so I have to add this, then this, there. Okay. If true, force is taken as what if I crank this up to 5,000? Oh, shit, the force is being added wrong. This is like adding... Oh, force. Oh. This has to be... Should be called every... Damn it. Okay, wait. So at least I understand what's going on now. Unreal Engine launch ragdoll. Of course her legs are breaking.
Okay, everybody, hello, how you going? My name is Frankie, and it is a new year, there's a new version of Unreal 5, it's very shiny, and guess what? I'm going to be back for another Active Ragdoll tutorial, yeah. Hopefully this one will be better than the last one, there shouldn't be any blaring music, I shouldn't have a squeaky voice, all of the above, you know. This should be a lot better. I've done a lot of research, I've been investigating projects like ALS, and I've just been digging in and finding out how they did stuff, and I think I found a lot of cool stuff, you guys, that isn't in any other tutorial. So this should be the one-stop guide. I know it looks like a very long tutorial, but it's divided into three chapters, and it's going to go through everything, including getting up this time. So I don't want to leave this intro going too long, so let's just get straight into it. We're going to create a third-person project, and I'm just going to call it tutorial because you can call yours whatever you want, though. So it's open, and it's conveniently showing this folder for me. What this folder is it has my animations in it. So these are going to be in a Google Drive, linked in the description. A lot of content to get through. So that is going to mark part 1, which is setting up the physics asset. Okay, so now the opposite.
Okay, so the reg ball.
What actions are to be pressed? Oh, hold on, let's go pressed. Should be it,
I
actually.
don't
Then we
want.
do the third sequence node, if you don't have one, just click add pin, call update ragdoll. But this is going to get called every frame, but also, if it misses this frame, we may as well also just call it now. So, below,
Wait,
we've got
what?
actions. So we're going to do, we're going to search up ragdoll, and you're going to see down here, enhanced action events, IA ragdoll. Click the top one, the event, perfect. Then, right, get up. We're going to want, outputs. Click
No.
2 new outputs. The first one we're going to call
Unreal
is ragdoll.
Engine
Pretty simple, can't keep this
fly
boolean.
force
Second one,
to.
going to be called ragdoll velocity, and you can set that as a vector. So you've got one ball, one vector. So that's all you really need to do in the blueprint interface. Now we're going to come back to our third-person character.
pawn. Adding force to pawn. Doesn't have a movement component. Add impulse. I feel like it's add impulse. There it is. That's the one that I wanted. At least I think it. I'm fairly certain this is the one that I want here. We're gonna test. We're gonna see if this works. This should act like launch player. She should just go flying if this works. She didn't go flying. I wonder if her legs are broken. Then you should be able to access the movement component, get character movement, and use either add force or add impulse. Or you could just directly affect velocity. Omni. For the tilted bear, what are you doing? Hello, how are you doing? I'm doing okay. I am trying to figure out how to apply this impulse correctly, and not having the greatest of luck. If true, the strength is taken as let's try this. You will take a hit. She's not taking the hit. I think maybe I don't need to have her be a physics object. Like, I don't need her to simulate for this, do I? No, I do. Okay. What if I do physics sim? But I think that's going to cause her to crumple right away, right? Yeah. Okay, so this, and then I do delay until next tick, and then save compile, and let's see if this worked. I forgot to disable that physics there. Sorry. You trying to make isekai spawn? Something like that. Yeah. It's not quite working. Look at that. She ragdolled. Wee! Wee! Oh, poor girl. Yeah! Wee! This one's perfect though. Like this one's almost perfect. The problem is that like I need to be able to run her. She needs the impulse differently, right? And I think the answer might be delay. If I delay 2 or if I delay 0.1 maybe. It'll be fat. It'll be not next tick, but yeah, okay. This might be better. Yeah, but she's not flying. She's just ragdolling there, and I want her to fly just a little bit. Like, I want a little bit extra force on this. And she's just crumpling onto the car, onto the truck, and it's not quite what I want. Maybe we'll try 1000 on the Z axis, and that might do the trick. Come for a ride. That was fucking great. So the add impulse is supposed to be it's not really working. Unreal Engine add him to ragdoll. Sadly, I don't know blueprints. I don't really know blueprints either. Oh. Add impulse at location. Hit world location. Oh, thank you for the... Now I'm on Twitch and YouTube, but YouTube is still faster for me. Yeah, it varies. It kind of like goes back and forth, right? Okay, so let's try this. Impulse at location. Maybe this will do it? Come on, do it. Ah. It's one of those things where it's like it crumples nicely. She's crumpling just right. Oh, that one actually worked. Okay, okay. I think we're getting somewhere. Maybe my numbers need to be even higher. Let's give her 10,000 on everything but the z-axis. It's just pushing me back now. Hmm. Yeah, root body's fine. Okay, so why is this not working? Weird. I gotta go now. Have a good stream. Oh, thank you. Thank you for showing up. Thank you to tilted bear. Hopefully we'll see you again. Okay, so why is this impulse at location not working? So we have it. It's here. Is it the tick group? Project settings. Okay, so I enabled async physics for now as well because I did want that. Here, okay, let's run into her one more time and then we'll try and play with some more settings. Oof, that was bad. That was all kinds of bad. She didn't crumple into me like I wanted her to. Why? I'm sorry, impulse? Add impulse. No. Make vector 3. Make vector. There we go. Okay. Huh. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I did the async physics and that changed a lot. And I think that it is during physics. let's say post physics for now. No, we're still running weird. Nor radial. Is this kind of what I need? I kind of want it to be the other way around, though. Right? Okay, okay, let's try this. Man, that this irks the shit out of me. Because no matter what I do, she's not flying the way I want her to. I want her to fly. I want her to really fly. I want all the damage here. It's just not working. Maybe I need to disable. Maybe I actually don't want tech. Like maybe this is actually the play. No, she's still like really getting into me here. No, I want. I guess maybe over. No, I want ignore. Let's try ignore. we do want to we wanted to block. Okay. We're gonna switch back just to regular. And then here, what if I just make this bigger? Like the capsule radius. What if I do 45? Right? Then she'll get hit first, and then maybe that will cause betterness. Like maybe oh, that's already better. That's already actually better. Wait, what? Yes. Beautiful. Yeah, I know. It's kind of gonna be like one of those things, right? Trying to figure out this is most of the game, unfortunately. Okay, so now if we add the impulse, I wonder if this will make a difference. Maybe? Yes! Oh my god, I figured it out. Oh my god, it feels so good. It's terrible, but I love it. I'm gonna spend so much more time on this as this goes on, though. Whee! No! I hit both of them and it caused weirdness. It works though. Now if you join the Discord, right? There's a channel in the Discord I'll be setting these in. How much ragdolls can you hit without stopping? Right now, it kind of seems like 1. Because when I hit 2, actually, let's stack these a little bit closer together. But I think maybe I need to make their capsules a little bit taller. So let's do that. Let's make the capsule a little bit taller, and that will increase the width on this. Because I think what's happening is I'm hitting the arm. Let's do 90. And then we'll do 50. 60. Oh, that's perfect. This level that I'm driving around with the car and all the settings, I'm gonna build before I finish my stream tonight, and I'll be posting it as a zip file in there, so you'll be able to play it. Oh my god, it's perfect. Holy shit. I did it. I did it. Yes. Oh, I fucking love this. Okay. Let's crank this up a little bit more. Let's give her 10,000 here. We'll give her 10,000 on both of these and we'll see what happens. There's a lot of force. Whee! Oh, that's even better. Okay, I think we figured it out. Whee! The truck's a bit slidey. I gotta figure that one out. I don't know if I like it or not, but oh, thank God. We figured it out and it's amazing. Is it 1 mil force? No, it is 10,000 force. What's up? Not a whole lot. We're running over anime girls right now. Love it. Yes. I think we can all agree that that it is amazing. Okay. So, we're going to make a traditional little thing here where we avoid the moose. Also, I think that we need to make this bigger. Whee! Oh, wait. No, this is not your regular map. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, so it is essentially this. Okay, so we don't want to hit this. Where is Google? Okay, there it is. Okay, so here's the moose car test. You've got this, and you've got a moose in the way, which is these ones, right? So I followed you, your art station. Nice work. Oh, thank you. Where's the proper moose test? This is not the proper moose test. Car test. Car driving cone tests. Okay. This is not the one that I was looking for. This is definitely not it. There's like what even would these be called again? They're like the little tests that that you have on here where it's like, you know, you've got to do specific like driving maneuvers. Driving. I did not spell that right. Cone tests. Well, this is one, but I don't know if I like that one. Oh yeah, this one would be good. But this one's essentially this. So let's do that. Let's do this with the girls. Cause you slide around like crazy, so you're gonna have some trouble here. There we go. Okay. So let's test this out. Okay, let me plug in my controller because I want to be able to play this with a controller. Wee. Wee. I didn't do very well. I'll show you. Specifically, I am using this one. It is no longer available though. I give you a 4 out of 10 on driving tests. I know, it's great, right? And there's only one reason I bought this controller over all the other possible controllers, right? This is 100% wired. It has no wireless capabilities in it. I don't have this one. I have this one. And you can't buy this one anymore, unfortunately. Which pains me because this is my favorite controller ever. And I bought it specifically for this one feature right here. Right here. This feature right here is why I bought it. Because I was on my second or third Xbox controller. And they kept breaking at the USB port. Because I'd like drop them every now and then, right? And I was like, fuck it. I'm going to see if I can find one that doesn't have such a weak port area. And this one has like a whole shell built around it. So it like goes in and makes a really solid connection, and the entire controller holds the USB port. And I've never had a problem with this one, and I love it. I've had it for so many years now. Yeah, so like if I unplug this, that's the USB, right? And it goes into the actual controller up to here, right? And it has like little notches on the side and everything, and it's just a USB, right? A regular USB, but it like slides in and locks into place, and now I never have problems. So I'm just like, yeah, I can't not. The backward slide is so funny looking. Is this I think because of the speed, this is way too they fly so great. I fucking love this so much. Oh my god. I'm a bad person. Wait, is that one of the bad people? Is that the wrong type of person? I think that was this one, right? No, why did that one have such a violent knockback? Okay, so we have this one. Then there's the I really want the moose. The moose car test. Oh, wait. Moose roll car roll test. Okay, so it is this. Okay. Okay, so what we do is we have a lane. Okay, I remember this now. So we grab this. We grab her, and I'm gonna add a box. A cube. Tis fine, tis fine. Because this is a landscape, I'd have to make the landscape bigger, and I don't want to do that right now. Do. Good enough. There we go. And then I can do this. Now we can have a little test area. You'll have to drive over that little speed bump, but that's fine. Okay, let's do... Let's do 1. Nope. Okay. I think this was 10. Let me do this. General. This is why we've got a 0.5. Oh, wait. That's not what we wanted. -7. -8. Perfect. There we go. Okay, so we have her, right? And then all we want to do is go like this, right? And then we do this. We're going to move them down. So you come in, right? You've got this. And effectively, these are your pylons, right? For a roll test. I've not actually tried to make this correctly, so this roll test is invalid. But the greater idea is it fun to do? And the answer is probably going to be yes. And there we go. And then we do this. And then we take one of these pillars that we want to avoid, right? Because we don't want to hit the nice pillar. And we put that right there. Oh. Not enough force on some of these. Some of them don't physics the way I want them to. But it's fine. We can work out the kinks in that one later. Every now and then you hit one and it's just like fun. The force doesn't get applied quite right. It's just not quite fast enough sometimes. Okay, it's getting late. It's time to build. Okay, so to build package for Windows. Damn, Trackmania took a wrong turn. Trackmania took a wrong turn. Hell yeah, it did. I haven't had this much fun building a game in so long. I'm laughing all the way to the running the school girls over. I think this makes me a bad person. All right, we have new builds. Do. Actually, you know what? I'm going to change this. There we go. All right. This way, wherever you unzip it, it's just going to be there. So you don't have like a weird Windows folder. With targets. Okay, All right, it is being added. It's right here. If anybody wants to go download it, join the Discord, download this. Chris, I'll send you a copy. You don't have to join the Discord, Chris. just ping me, Chris, and I'll send it to you. Too late I joined. Okay. Well, if you want to give it a play, please feel free to add any chat that you want about it to the Discord. I'm going to duplicate this and make a feedback. There. Okay, we've got Truckcoon. So we've got 3 channels here. We have Truckcoon QA, question and answer, feedback, and Truckcoon builds. There you go. All right, new builds are out. Everybody go have fun. Let me know what you think of it. Run around, fucking run into things, whatever you want to do. All right, I'll catch you all later. Ta-ta for now.